Well to now, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put that on there. I'm gonna hook it all up so it'll run, you know, to do what it do. Well, I'm gonna put this line on. I painted with some paint I had laying around, nice silver color. Gotta get this out of the way to feed the line in. And I'll probably scratch it all up if I get it in here. The engine's all wet, so I'm just gonna wash some of the old dust off. I got some in the fuel. I never bend them right. No, you're not starting. You're just messing with me. Where are you? I'm gonna need a 1/2 inch for this. Now I'm going to need some 5/16 fuel line. Okay, I guess I need to raise my carburetor. I gotta look into that. Hope we get this run here in a little bit. I know before I get the line, I'm gonna hook this back up because I forgot about it. I ain't getting away now. Of course you're gonna fight me. Must scratch my new paint job up. I need keyboard hand right now. Now I gotta find the fuel line and figure out how to do that one. I don't know if it's the original carb or not. This is my first old Mustang. And here comes the rain. Sounds pretty dull, don't it? That alternator backed up. I thought that was gone. If I get this thing running, I might do a whole series of this. Not gonna be no trailer queen. She's gonna be a daily driver. I mean daily. So think about that if you want to subscribe or see what's going to be happening to this car. I still got a weld on the frame supports underneath where somebody who did this floor, front end, whatever, didn't put them back on and weld them to it. Plus this side's all dented in. I figure out how to pop that out because I don't want to cut a frame roll off, but another, it's all one piece. So, now, still raining a couple days later. Working on a couple other projects. But put a fuel line right here, no clamps. Already put some gas in it. Put the battery back up. it's shown on camera or not, because some genius let the battery hooked up, the point's going, run the battery down. I wouldn't know who it was, but got that up there, the hose run to it. Little mini gas can, was probably not gonna do nothing. So I'll crank it on until I run the battery down, charge up again. If that don't work, I'll get one of those electric fuel pumps, hook it up, and I'll get it to run. Right again, the rain's starting to pick up again. Oh, come on now. You need a whole Exxon station to start or something? Okay. Yeah, that sounds bad. I don't get it myself. There's no blockages. Everything's freed up. For way too much gas in you. And just enough cause a fire. That's good enough. Yeah, come on. Keep going. Yeah. This when I get excited. You butt. I guess the fuel pump ain't working. Or need to be primed pretty good one, or there's not enough pressure. Try it one more time and I'll get the electric thing out, wire it up. I'll get this whole thing run good. I'm gonna throw radiator stuff in it. Just the camera down, hoping nobody sees my nose. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get an electric fuel pump put on it. Well, I didn't go get the electric fuel pump yet, because I'm curious if it's gonna run off gas or not. They said that fuel pump's good. So I'm just gonna keep cranking and cranking, hope it's gonna work. If that don't work, then I'll give it a shot. Maybe just filter's so bad, sitting so long, it's probably bad too. But now I got lots I'm gonna do. Oh. Keep running my starter. I remember now. She's alive. And what's that sound? I have no gauges hooked up. I'm assuming she got pressure. I know I ain't got no radiator hoses on yet. There's a lot of dirt stuff got to clean out. Use this old radiator to flush it out, put a new aluminum in here. Ain't that much on China Bay. But should be getting gas by now. Out of the gas can. I got that hose run too, but it ain't want to do it. Guess I'll be buying a new fuel pump. Maybe water pump. If they're cheap. stuck beside the road somewhere. Wish I'd have bought one later. Here it go again. I seen sparks come from the starter. She should be priming now though. Take you out of there. Oh, you're good. If you watch my other videos, sorry, I did get a better camera. Still learning how to use it though. Man, what rev you once. And another thing, I'm not thinking about putting headers on this. What's better? Straight pipe or them wide, tri-wise, what do we call them? You don't mind, put it down in the comments below. I hope we get it primed enough to start sucking fuel on our own. And the rain picking up again. Oopsie. Well, I guess that's a successful run anyway. I've got 21 subscribers so far. A little over 20, close to 2,500 views. Thank y'all. I really appreciate it. First video of this is up to 600 something. I didn't think I'd get 20, to be honest. It's been on maybe a month. So if you like to see any of the videos, you know what to do. If you don't, there's a subscribe button, notification bell. I make new videos as I keep working on this thing, as the money comes in, the time's available. You can see how she started, what she's gonna end up like. She's never gonna be no trailer queen. I'm either gonna do the original white she used to be, or a flat black. And the UPS fixing to pull in. More parts coming. I'm gonna keep from the battery down again like I did the first time. So remember, you get lost in this life, all you do, you gotta hit a knee and look up, start praying. The Lord loves you. I'm gonna put a fuel line. Hood.